let it bang, bang.
Now let's draw one more graph. We are now we will draw sine versus cos graph. Okay. Uh, Now first create an array of angles. So using the numpy.arrange function, we will create a long list of angles with a little difference of 5 or 10 degrees. Okay. Now we have angles over. So now we can create sine values for these angles or in cos values. We can use np.sine function for that. Uh, and here we have to give values in radians only. So therefore we have to convert into a radian. We will use np.radian function. Yeah, this one. And now we will pass angles here. And similarly we can go for cos values, and here we will pass np.cos, and the same angle should be in radians only, right? So now we have our sine and cos values. Now only step is to plot them. So we will go for plt.plot and sine values and angles versus sine values, and similarly we can plot cos graph also, angles versus cos values. Okay. Now we have this graph, and we can make it more meaningful by parsing certain things. Like let's first pass label here sine graph and here we can pass cos graph, and also here we can pass x ticks and p dot arrange for 60 90 degrees, so there will be much better look. Now let's see this only. If you see that now we are seeing the x ticks from 90 degrees, it's much better, but still we have not seen the label here, and the reason is we have not defined plt.legends here. So now we will be able to see our uh, legend here. The blue corresponds to the sine graph, and therefore 90 it gives 1. And one more thing, we can give it a very good look uh, by showing the grids. So plt.grid will show the grid. Now you can see that the graph is so beautiful. So this is all about line graphs. Similarly you can create some more graphs, but this is it. This is enough, and now we will continue our journey to Matplotlib's other graphs.
Let it bang, bang.